I'm William Daniel, and I've been coming here for about 3 years. Since my teeth are in a fairly bad state, I come here relatively regularly, and so I'm looked after well. I get greeted by name, I get excellent personal care, and everything is in the same place. X-rays and all of that stuff done all in one place. I've had several implants. My teeth actually work, as they should do. Having teeth extracted and implants put in is never a pleasant experience, but here it has been significantly less unpleasant than other places, other dentists, less painful perhaps. It's well run, well organized. It's not so much that as I had lingering infections that would flare up every so often as a result of previous dental work. That has now gone away. So now I don't have to have periodic dental crises, which I used to have before. My teeth work as they should and without pain. Everything that I've had done has worked correctly as it should. Certainly the best dental care I've had in my life.